Hi everyone. I wanted to recap two previous announcements. So number one, there is an open SurveyMonkey about the course itself. So I really take your feedback to heart and try to improve the course based on your experiences. So if you haven't already done the survey, please consider doing so. And it is anonymous. I can't track who has completed it or what results were connected with a particular student. So it's all anonymous. And like I said, I really use the information to improve the course each and every time. So thank you to those of you who have already completed the survey. I really appreciate it. The other thing is I want to remind you that we do need to assure that all your Castle Branch records are up to date. If there are outstanding components, such as maybe a CPR ended at a certain time or will end at a certain time, make sure that you upload the updated record that you've continued CPR certification. The same holds true with this year's influenza vaccinations. And for those of you who are in Kentucky, you need to upload your new Kentucky licenses too by October the 31st. And again, as your requirements come due, they have to keep being refreshed and updated, so we can't have a lapse in time where you're not covered or up to date with certain requirements. So keep that in mind. I'm going to be doing some auditing with the Castle Branch records very soon, so please make sure that you have absolutely everything uploaded. We will need to suspend practicum hours if we have gaps in what the requirements actually entail. And the other thing is, just a reminder, please be sure to complete your journal entries as you have those experiences in your practicum. Again, it needs to be real time. So if you have any questions about doing the journals, let me know. Several of you have already done, in fact, many of you have already done journal entries, and some of you have actually progressed through your practicum hours already. So congratulations to those of you. And everyone's at a different place, which is perfectly fine, and that's how the course is developed. But just remember that we need to show that you're doing those journal entries in real time, meaning when you have that experience. So make sure that you submit those on time. If they are submitted late in your experience, at the very end, there are deductions, because then you lose the essence, so to speak, as far as the purpose of the assignment and having that real-time reflection exercise. So let me know if you have absolutely any questions, and now's the time to even start thinking about your next practicum as well. So as you're having the experiences, start thinking about where you want to really focus on in your next practicum, and you will be working with a preceptor again, and you have the opportunity to kind of customize your practicum once again. So just kind of keep that in mind and keep a thought process. So as you're connecting with your preceptor, you may want to consider having a discussion about your next preceptor, or an area that you found of interest in this practicum, maybe an area to really focus on for your next one. So just kind of really forward thinking and food for thought, and let me know if you have absolutely any questions. Take care now, and I look forward to reading your work.